Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you a college room tour. As you guys can see, I am not in my college dorm room. I have packed up and I'm back home. But anyways, I didn't get a chance to show you guys a college room tour, so I filmed that before I left. I know a lot of people are graduating from high school and going to college and probably having graduation parties and stuff, so hopefully this video gives you some inspiration. My dorm room is actually apartment style, suite style, so it is set up a little different, but you can still get some inspiration. And even if you're not in college, still some room decor inspiration. So here goes my quick college dorm room tour. Okay, so here's the door. When you first walk in the door, to the left are my hats. Okay, and then these are just my school stuff, my bags, and my books for when I just go and grab them and go out the door. Umbrella. Next, I have my clothing rack. Right now is set up for springtime. I change this all the time based on my mood and the way I want my room to look. So here I just have my bags, my belts, and just clothing items. Most of this stuff is new clothing items that I want to force myself to wear. Then there's more bags and shoes down here. I might do a clothing rack like tour thing and going through each thing and talking about it. I don't know yet though. We'll see. Up here is just my artwork. I drew that one that I bought, and that one I drew. That's fashion in Chinese, I think. But yeah, that's that. So here's this little tin thing next to it, next to my clothing rack, and there are some books that I read, some that I'm reading. The first drawer is like hygienes and all that stuff. The second one is hair products. The third one is just random hair products, medicine, just everything. Just a random drawer. We all have those. Next, this is my closet. It's pretty messy. It's just clothes in there, shoes in there. My laundry basket, just messy. Next to the closet is my desk. I don't use it as a desk, obviously, you guys can see. But here's an overview of this. So here are just two pictures. I love elephants, if you guys don't know. So I have that, and then I have a heart of gold. Next, here is just plants. I love fake plants, if you guys don't know that. And then I like elephants, like I said. Then I have some artwork that I drew a long time ago. More plants, candles. I love candles. So I love plants, elephants, and candles. Yeah, my sunglasses. More artwork for me. Candles, elephant. My bamboo that I love. It's growing so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then I have my little personal calendar. And then here's my view. Guys, look at that. When I'm laying in the bed, I just look out the window. Okay, so next down here is just random stuff. That's my plaque. But magazines, random stuff. I was gonna put little quotes in these two things, but I just haven't had time. But yeah, just random stuff. Here is my calendar, like my weekly calendar and stuff like that. Yeah, I need this to stay on track. If I don't have this, I will forget everything. I will forget my life. But yeah, it's my calendar. This is my rug too. It's filthy. I'm gonna throw it away. Okay, next to my desk is my trash can. Yeah, it's from IKEA. I haven't even said where all this stuff is from. If you guys have questions, comment below and I will answer all of them. This is a quick room tour. This is my trash can. Okay, and now on to this. I think this is my favorite part of the room. It's cute, right? Okay, so here is my tassel. I did a DIY with this. It was pretty easy. If you guys want to see how I did it, comment below or something. But yeah, I love this. Next we go down. I have this little Killing It little picture. And then here is like my jewelry that I always go to, my go-to jewelry, business cards. Next I have my salt lamp. I love it. I had it forever. I gotta get a new one. Back here is like holding makeup and stuff. My friend got this for me and I'm in love with it. As you guys can see, I have a thing for marble. These are 2 books. I've read one of them, not the other. I'm getting to it. Up here, another fake plant. It's my favorite. Then I have 2 more elephants here. Here's another fake plant. They're sisters, guys. Sisters. I have to name them. I want to name all my fake plants. Anyways, this is my makeup. Just makeup that I want to have on display. My Fenty, my MAC. Just cute stuff. I use it all. I gotta clean my brushes too. Here is more makeup. I love this bag. Yeah, this is my go-to makeup bag, kind of like. Next to that dresser, I have this drawing. I actually uploaded this while I was doing it to YouTube, so I will show you guys where that video is. But I love this. It was on my wall, but I took it down. So now it's just sitting here pretty. Next to that painting, I have my mirror. It's just a basic mirror. I wanted a nice big one, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Next is this basket. I love this basket. It has all my shoes in it. Well, not all of them, but just shoes that don't have boxes or that I don't have on display. Yeah. Next, we can move to this beautiful tapestry that I absolutely love. It's on the side of my bed. It's a zodiac tapestry and I love it. I got it from Amazon recently. Like I said, that picture that I just showed you guys was actually here, but I took it down to put this tapestry up and I love it. Can y'all see y'all zodiac? Comment below your zodiac sign. Okay, so next, basically the last thing in my room is my bed. My beautiful bed. Okay, so up here are 2 paintings that I drew. I wanted to do 2 things that match this pillow. It's kind of like geometric type of shapes. So I try to play off of that, if you guys can tell. The same, yeah. But yeah, my pillow. Up here at the headboard, I have, I don't even know what these things are. I got them from like a thrift store and I just love them because they're the moon and the sun. So I put them like in the back of my bed for like waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night. But yeah, it's a moon and then a sun, and then I have my 2 plants. But yeah, and then my body pillow's there and my blanket throw is there. So after my bed, just under here is this is just products like my laundry detergent, hygiene stuff, just an overload of stuff that just wouldn't fit. And then these 4 things are clothes. So I just have random clothes. I have my summer clothes, some of my summer clothes, my shirts, my pants under here. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, here's another overview of my room. It's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted to do more with it and just go beyond, but I just didn't have time and money, and so I made this work. and I like it a lot. Just wait for next year, y'all. Wait for next year. I'm telling you. Again, guys, I told you I kind of rushed through this tour. Comment below anything that you want to know, where it's from. A lot of this stuff is from Target or like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Yeah, but if you want to know something specific, just comment below, please. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together.